If your body were a city, the liver would be its most hard-working factory, running 24 hours a day. It doesn't complain or rest, yet it quietly keeps you alive. Every drop of blood from your stomach and intestines passes through the liver first. It's your biochemical gatekeeper, deciding what stays and what goes. The liver is about the size of a football and performs over 500 vital functions. Let's start with detoxification. Every glass of wine, medication, or chemical you absorb ends up here. The liver filters toxins, converting harmful substances into safer compounds for elimination. It's like having a personal chemist inside you. Second, metabolism. The liver regulates your blood sugar. It stores glucose as glycogen when you eat and releases it when you fast or exercise, keeping your brain and muscles running. It also handles fat metabolism, converting excess carbs into fat and breaking down fat for energy. It decides whether you store or burn calories. Third, bile production made in the liver and stored in the gallbladder helps digest fats and vitamins. Without bile, your body wouldn't be properly fueled. But the liver is not invincible. Alcohol, processed foods, sugar, and certain medications can overwhelm it. Over time, fat can accumulate, leading to fatty liver disease. Continued inflammation can progress to cirrhosis, where healthy tissue is replaced by scar tissue, causing this factory to shut down. The good news? The liver is the only organ that can regenerate. Even if 70% is damaged, it can grow back with the right environment. Eat whole foods, reduce alcohol and sugar, stay hydrated, and move your body. Every positive habit gives your liver more room to heal. Remember, your liver quietly protects you every second. Treat it with care, and it will return the favor for a lifetime. Your body's best detox isn't a juice. It's your liver.